Back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Nadula hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description. You guys already know what be coming in the bag, in the box, in the box, in the bag, in the bag, in the box. Okay, you get your edge band, edge brush, and you also get your HD wig cap, and of course your satin bag. I'm gonna put all that up and let's get into what's in the bag. Tape in here, so let's go ahead and pull this beauty out. Seven by 5 lace spiral curls with finger coil ends wig. This one is in the length 24 inches. Now I see finger coils more so in the front on each side, but none in the back. What the parting space area looks like, as you can see, you have your pre-cut lace. They also pre-bleached those knots. And of course, I already know that they went in and pre-plucked the front of the hairline. This unit doesn't have any combs on the side. You do get your adjustable elastic band, get a comb in the nape area, and your adjustable straps. Feel around back here just to make sure that there is no drawstring. So what I'm going to do, just because I know how I like my lace, even though it looks pretty good right now, I am going to add just a very small amount in the very front, and then I'm going to put this on so we can see how it fits. This is what it is looking like on, y'all. This is pretty snug to my head. I could have honestly loosened up that elastic band because it's on. Now right here on the side, it is making my ear bend a little bit. So even though it's snug, it's still like a little roomy right here on each side. So that's something that I can just kind of bobby pin. In the nape area is laying down flat. There still is a little bit of room. I just think my elastic band is just a little snug. The knots on this are small, and then that's what the parting space looks like. And then of course you can part this on the side if you choose to. You don't have to leave this in the middle. And I like the curl pattern on this unit. I probably could have went in just a little bit more with tint spray, but I feel like once I add my product, I think I'll be fine. I think it'll blend in to my skin without any issues. This is what the unit is looking like as far as lengthwise. As you can see, the coils right here are good, but I'm gonna have to coil the back of this unit because I needed to match up and look exactly like the front of this unit does. And I'm just adjusting my wig to where I would like it to sit. And yeah, it's pretty much kind of pre-styled, but you can kind of go in and do a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and install this unit and play around with it, see exactly how I want it to be. And then of course I'll be back so you guys can see the final looks and also hear my final thoughts when it comes to this beauty. and done. I did not want to mess up the coils on this unit, so I was trying not to do another style, but I don't know, I wanted the hair up out of my face, so I decided to do like a quick little half up, half down style. You guys seen that I added my tint spray on. I did install this using a little bit of my olive oil mousse, and I did add some bobby pins on the side because it was a little loose right in this area, but everything is laying down all nice and flat now. I did not add any water to this unit. I only added a little bit of my mousse to the ends, and I went in sections because the top part was the only part that was finger coiled. So I went in and finger coiled all the way around, and it came out looking really, really good. And then I did the same on this side. Because I did not put water throughout this unit, it did not take me long for this to diffuse down because I did not wet up the whole unit. So it took me no time at all. I put a little bit of powder into the parting space area, and I just fluffed the hair up. Use any of my Sleek and Shine serum because I didn't feel like it was needed. This hair is not super frizzy, and I don't notice a lot of flyaways going on, but keep in mind, this is being styled straight out of the box. I'm pretty sure once you're washing it, everything, I'm not sure, but for the most part, the curl pattern on this looks really good. I like the ends, and this is a very good density. Somebody who does not like a lot of hair, you might want to see if they have a lesser density and even just like a shorter length, because this is going to be good for the fall and the winter time, especially if you like curly hair. I didn't have any issues with putting this up into a little ponytail. I just finger coiled some of the pieces that I did mess up, and it dried down really quick. I didn't even have to use my diffuser because of the way it dried down. I did not pull these apart in the front. Now, during the styling process, I did run across a little bit of shedding and snags. I'm not getting any at the moment, but because of the texture, I do expect that to happen. So overall, I think that the unit is cute. My only thing that I would say is that when I took it out of the box, I expected it to be finger coiled in the back too, and it was just mostly up in the front area, so I had to go in and do the rest of the coiling. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind, and maybe they'll go in and probably fix that up. I'm not sure, but the fit on this, like I said, it fits me good. It's a little bit loose right here in the nape area, but it's tight on my head, so it's not going anywhere. So you can absolutely rock this glueless. I think they did a good job as far as the parting space goes. I don't have any cons when it comes to the hairline, but she's cute, she's big, she's fluffy, she's playful, and it coils very, very well. You can still see the coils that were done at the front of the unit, and then my coils, it all just blended in together. I didn't pick them apart too much because I still wanted you to be able to see them. So some of the pieces look a little bit longer, but that's okay. You can just always kind of pull them down. Yeah, it's also on the darker side, so that doesn't bother me at all either. But let me know what you guys think about this unit. If you are interested in this, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.